Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're diving into a unique perspective on breastfeeding, the role of dads. While breastfeeding often focuses on moms and babies, dads play a vital role in supporting the journey and ensuring its success. In this video, I'll share insights, challenges, and tips from a dad's perspective on how to navigate and support your partner through breastfeeding. Whether you're a dad-to-be, a new dad, or just curious about how dads can be more involved, this one's for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more parenting tips and real-life stories. Let's get started. Breastfeeding may seem like something only moms and babies do, but dads have a critical part to play. Encouragement goes a long way when your partner feels uncertain or overwhelmed. Help set up a comfortable nursing space with pillows, snacks, water, or anything else your partner might need during feeds. Bond with the baby in other ways, like burping after feeds, changing diapers, or simply holding them. Dads, what's one way you've supported your partner during breastfeeding? Let's share ideas in the comments. Breastfeeding is rewarding but can come with challenges, and understanding these struggles is key. From latching issues to sore nipples, breastfeeding takes a toll on moms physically and emotionally. Many moms feel pressured to breastfeed perfectly. As a dad, you can help ease this pressure by being empathetic and supportive. Late-night feeds can be draining. Offer to handle diaper changes or soothe the baby after feeding so your partner can rest. What's one challenge your partner faced during breastfeeding, and how did you help? Let's discuss in the comments. Just because you're not the one breastfeeding doesn't mean you can't bond with your baby. Hold your baby close during or after feeds. Skin-to-skin time strengthens your bond and comforts your baby. If your partner is pumping, feeding your baby with a bottle gives you a chance to connect while lightening the load for your partner. Your voice and presence are incredibly soothing to your baby, even during feeding sessions. Dads, what's your favorite way to bond with your baby? Share your stories in the comments. Here are some actionable tips for dads to make the breastfeeding journey smoother. Educate yourself about breastfeeding basics to understand what your partner is going through and how to help. Ask how she's feeling, what she needs, and how you can make things easier. Take on extra chores so your partner can focus on breastfeeding and resting. Attend doctor's appointments, help her find a lactation consultant, or advocate for her at work if she's balancing breastfeeding and a job. What's one thing you've learned about breastfeeding that helped you be a better partner? Let's share tips in the comments. Breastfeeding is a team effort, and celebrating milestones together makes the journey even more rewarding. Whether it's the first successful latch or making it through a challenging week, acknowledge every achievement. Capture moments of your partner feeding the baby or of you bonding with the baby to cherish later. Celebrate the bond you're all building as a family through breastfeeding. What's one milestone you've celebrated during your breastfeeding journey? Share your proud moments in the comments below. Breastfeeding is more than just feeding your baby. It's a journey of love, patience, and teamwork. Dads play a crucial role in making that journey successful and memorable. Dads, what advice or encouragement would you share with others about supporting a breastfeeding partner? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips and real-life stories. Check out my other videos for insights and advice on navigating the early days of parenthood. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep supporting, keep bonding, and enjoy every moment with your little one.